What if I told you there exists a connection in this universe that doesn't follow the rules of distance, time, or even space? Hello friends, welcome to the Quantum Sutra. Imagine this, you are standing on Earth interacting with a tiny quantum particle, and at that exact same moment, another particle, thousands of kilometers away in space, instantly reflects a related change. No delay, no signal, no visible connection. This strange phenomenon puzzled even Albert Einstein, who called it spooky action at a distance. So today, let's understand what quantum entanglement really is and how it connects with the ancient philosophy of Vedanta, which says everything is one. Quantum entanglement begins when two particles interact in such a way that their quantum states become linked. They no longer behave like separate objects, but as parts of a single unified system. Let's take a simple example. Consider two photons, particles of light. When they pass through a special quantum process, they become entangled. Now, their properties, like polarization, meaning the direction of their vibration, become deeply connected. If you measure one photon and find it vertical, the other photon will instantly be horizontal, no matter how far apart they are. And here's the fascinating part, distance doesn't matter. 1 meter or millions of kilometers, the connection remains immediate. This is not magic, this is quantum mechanics. The story goes back to 1935, when Einstein and his colleagues introduced the EPR paradox. They argued that if quantum mechanics is correct, then one fundamental principle, locality, must be broken. Locality means that objects are only influenced by what is nearby. But entanglement suggests something very different, that particles far apart can still remain deeply connected. In 1964, physicist John Bell proposed Bell's inequality, a way to test this mystery. And in 1982, Alain Aspect performed experiments that confirmed entanglement is real. Again and again, experiments supported quantum theory. In 2022, John Clauser, Alain Aspect, and Anton Zeilinger were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for this groundbreaking work. But remember, no usable information is traveling faster than light. The connection already exists within the system. Now comes the deeper question. What does Vedanta say? Ekam eva advitiyam. All is one without a second. What appears separate is simply an illusion, Maya. Now look at quantum entanglement. Two particles appear separate, but in reality, they are one system. Distance itself begins to feel like an illusion. Erwin Schrödinger, one of the founders of quantum mechanics, was deeply influenced by Vedanta. He believed that quantum non-locality and Vedanta both point towards the same truth. Modern science rediscovering ancient wisdom. So let's return to the question, what if there truly exists a connection beyond space and time? Maybe quantum entanglement is telling us something deeper, that we are not separate. We are part of one interconnected reality. The entire universe connected through a single source, a single energy. And perhaps that's why, when we truly understand something, we feel connected, not just intellectually, but within. In the future, technologies like quantum computers, quantum internet, and quantum teleportation will emerge from this very principle. But beyond technology, this changes how we see reality itself. More connected, more mysterious than we ever imagined. This is Quantum Sutra. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Until next time, keep thinking quantum and keep exploring the universe.